alpha plus beta is equal to 3. Next, alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now alpha beta is equal to c nothing but 6 by 3. Alpha beta is equal to 3. Now I am ready with the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now case 1, to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square value we cannot get directly, that's why which will be modified into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. That is alpha square plus beta square nothing but alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta cancel, means alpha square plus beta square value will be left. Now alpha plus beta nothing but 3 square minus 2 times alpha beta nothing but 3, that is 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3. Therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to 3. Next, second case, alpha cube plus beta cube, which is equal to algebraic formula alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. That is alpha plus beta value is 3 into alpha square plus beta square value is also 3 minus alpha beta value is 3. That is 3 times 0, which is equal to 0. That is alpha cube plus beta cube value is the 0. Next, come to the option number 3, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, that is equal to LCM is alpha beta, LCM is beta plus alpha, that is equal to beta plus alpha nothing but 3 by alpha beta value is also 3, which will gives you 1. Okay, next, fourth option is an additional, that is what is the value of 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square, that is equal to LCM is alpha square beta square. Now alpha square get cancel, beta square plus beta square get cancel, alpha square, that is beta square plus alpha square value I got it, that is 3 by alpha square beta square nothing but alpha beta whole square, that is equal to 3 by alpha beta value is 3, that is 3 square, that is square 3 cancel, which is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square is equal to 1 by 3. According to the question, find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha and beta such that alpha plus beta is equal to 24 and alpha minus beta is equal to 8. By using this information, first of all I have to find the values of alpha and beta. After that I can prepare the quadratic polynomial. Given alpha comma beta are the zeros and alpha plus beta is equal to 24, equation 1, alpha minus beta is equal to 8, this is equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Alpha plus beta is equal to 24, alpha minus beta is equal to 8. By process of the addition, plus beta and minus beta get cancelled. The left part is 2 alpha is equal to 24 plus 8, 32. That is alpha is equal to 16. This is equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. That is alpha plus beta is equal to 24, 16 plus beta is equal to 24, Now beta is equal to 24 minus 16. Beta is equal to 8. Now I am ready with the values of alpha and beta. Therefore alpha is equal to 16, beta is equal to 8. Now alpha plus beta is equal to 16 plus 8, that is equal to 24. Alpha beta is equal to alpha into beta, 16 into 8, that is 16 8s are 128. Therefore quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, which is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta, nothing but 24x, alpha beta nothing but 128. Obtain all other zeros of 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if two of its zeros are minus root 2 comma root 2. Here we can observe one important thing, that is the degree of the polynomial is the 4. That means we can get the 4 zeros. Find the all other zeros. All other zeros means total 4 are there, 2 are the given. That means rest 2 we have to find. Given zeros are minus root 2 comma root 2. That is alpha is equal to minus root 2, beta is equal to root 2. That is the previous form of minus root 2 is x plus root 2, and the previous form of root 2 is x minus root 2. Now you can check yourself. 0 of x plus root 2 is a minus root 2. 0 of x minus root 2 is the root 2. That is, now this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That will gives you a square minus b square. A square minus root 2 whole square, that is equal to x square minus 2. Now with this x square minus 2 we divide this part now. Now let us consider C. With the help of x square minus 2 you divide this part. 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. That is first cancellation, 2x to the power 4 by x square power 4 get cancelled, 2x square left. 2x square into x square, 2x to the power 4 minus 2x square into 2, 4x square. Now subtraction process, minus plus get cancelled. It is the cube term, this is the square term. We are unable to simplify these two. Then write in order. Minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 4x square, which will gives you plus x square. Next minus second cancellation, 3x cube by x square cube cancel, the left part is 3x. Write that 3x. Now first change the symbols. Here plus symbol is the right opposite, minus is the right plus. 3x into x square, 3x cube, 3x into 2, 2x. That is 3x into 2, which will gives you 6x. Sorry. Next plus minus cancel. Next, here also we are unable to simplify. This is the x square term, this is the x term. We are unable to simplify these two. Then write this in order. X square, see here, plus 6x minus 6x, both are get cancelled, that is no need to represent again. The rest part is minus 2, that is third cancellation. X square by x square, which will gives you 1, that is plus 1. 1 into x square minus 1 2s are 2, that is minus plus, both parts are get cancelled, remainder is 0. Therefore factors are x square minus 2 is the one part, then other part is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now we have to find out the factors of 2x square plus 1. Now let us find out the factors of 2x square minus 3x plus 1. 2 ones are 2, addition will give you 3, there is a 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore we can arrange this one as 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1, that is equal to, take 2x common, that is x minus 1. From these two I am unable to take any number as a common, that's why take minus 1 as the common, x minus 1. Therefore the common factor is x minus 1 and other factor is 2x minus 1. Now therefore zeros are, the given zeros are minus root 2 comma root 2, and the zeros of x minus 1 is the 1 and zeros of 2x minus 1 is 1 by 2. Therefore according to my question, very beginning itself we discussed that the highest degree is the 4. 4 means we must get the 4 factors, that is 1 2 3 4. The rest of the zeros are 1 comma 1 by 2 and the given zeros are minus 2 comma 2. Find the all other zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 if two of the zeros are 2 plus or minus root 3. Here the degree of the polynomial is 4, that means we can expect altogether 4 zeros. Out of 2 are given 2 plus or minus root 3, that is given zeros are alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3, beta is equal to 2 minus root 3, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus 2 nothing but 4. This is alpha plus beta. Next, alpha beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, that is alpha beta is equal to a plus b into a minus b, which will gives you a square minus b square, that is 2 square minus root 3 whole square, that is alpha beta is equal to 4 minus 3, alpha beta is equal to 1. From the above information, therefore quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, that is x square minus alpha plus beta nothing but 4x plus alpha beta nothing but 1, which is a required polynomial. Now this is your new divisor, your dividend is this one. With the help of these two you can find out the other two zeros. Okay, let us follow that one. Now your divisor is x square minus 4x plus 1, x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. There is the answer part. Now see for the first part. First cancellation, x to the power 4 by x square. X square power 4 cancel, x square left. With this x square multiply your divisor. That is x square into x square, x to the power 4 minus 4x into x square, 4x cube plus x square into 1, x square. Now minus plus minus get cancelled, cube. Now similar terms can simplify. Minus 6 plus 4 which will gives you minus x cube, minus 26 minus 1 minus 27 x square plus 138x. Now second cancellation. Before going to do the second cancellation, here first part contains a negative sign. That sign must be shifted to the answer part. Next change the signs. Here plus is there, write the minus. Minus is there, write the plus. Plus is there, write the minus, which will make you to simpler. Now second cancellation, x cube by x square. X square cube get cancelled, which will give you x. Now x into x square, x cube, x into 4x, 4x square, x into 1, that is x. Now plus minus plus, that is cancel. 27 minus 4, 31 x square. Now both are plus 1, 39 plus x, 139x minus 6x cube plus 4x cube minus 2x cube minus 26 minus 1 minus 27x square plus 138x. Now second cancellation, 2x cube by x square. X square cube cancel, that is 2x. Now with this 2x multiply the total. 2x into x square minus 2x cube, minus into minus plus 2x into 4, 2 4s are 8x square, minus into plus minus 2x plus minus plus cancel. 27 minus 27 minus 8 minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. Minus symbol to shift to your answer part and go to the third cancellation. 35x square by x square get cancelled, that is a 35. Now before going to multiply, change the signs. Plus is here, write the minus. Minus is here, write the plus. Plus is here, write the minus. Now multiply. 35 into x square, 35x square. 35 4s are 140x. 35 1s are 35. Now change the symbols, plus, minus, plus, cancel, remainder is 0. Therefore factors are that is x square minus 4x plus 1, and your answer part x square minus 2x plus minus 35. That is, please take this part out, that is x square minus 2x minus 35. Therefore the factors are x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. Why? Because 7 5s are 35, minus 7 plus 5 minus 2, which is equal to, take x common, x minus 7, take plus 5 common, x minus 7. That is, therefore the common factor is x minus 7 and other factor is x plus 5. Therefore other zeros are 7 comma minus 5. Therefore zeros of polynomial are 2 plus root 3 comma 2 minus root 3 comma minus 5 comma 7. Obtained all other zeros of the polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of zeros are plus or minus root 5 by 3, which is a special case, like this models past we see in two different methods, but that zeros are quite different from this one. That is, we have to follow the answer given. Zeros are alpha is equal to root 5 by 3 comma beta is equal to minus root 5 by 3. That is, the previous form of root 5 by 3 is x minus root 5 by 3. The previous form of this one is x plus root 5 by 3. Now see, 0 of x plus a, we know very well 0 of x plus a is a minus a, 0 of x minus a is a plus a. That means we are finding the value of the x. That is, the 0 of x minus root 5 by 3 is root 5 by 3, one of the 0. The 0 of x plus root 5 by 3 is minus root 5 by 3. Now it is clearly of the form a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is x square minus root over 5 by 3 whole square, that is equal to x square minus 5 by 3, which can be write as 3x square minus 5 whole to the power 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 of 3x square minus 5. Now with the help of this one, this is our new divisor, with the help of this one we can divide the given polynomial and find out the rest of the zeros. That is, write 3x square minus 5, 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. That is, part 1 simplification, 3x to the power 4 by 3x square, 3 get cancel, x square power 4 cancel, which is left x square. That is x square into 3x square, 3x to the power 4, write the minus sign, 5 into x square, 5x square. minus plus, cancel. This is a cube term, this is a square term. We are unable to simplify. That's why I write them in order. 3x cube. Now see, it is a square term, it is a square term. Then minus 2 plus 5, that is plus 3x square. Now second cancellation, that is 6x cube by 3x square, that is x square cube cancel, 3 table 6 cancels 2 times, that is 2x plus 2x. With the help of the 2x, multiply your divisor. 2 3s are 6, x into x square, x cube, sign minus sign. 10 5 2s are 10x minus plus, cancel. Again this is the x square term, this is the x term. Again we are unable to simplify. Then what shall we do now? Write these in order. That is 3x square minus 10x is there in the question. Here plus 10x is there. Minus 10x plus 10x get cancelled. Then down your minus 5. Then third part, that is 3x square, first part by 3x square, that is both get cancelled, which is 1 plus 1. 1 into 3x square, 3x square minus 1 5s are 5. Now subtraction process, change the signs, minus plus, both the terms are get cancelled. Remainder is 0. What does mean for the remainder 0? Remainder 0 means this part, that the 3x square minus 5 is the factor of the given question. Factor means which will leave the remainder 0. Now total highest degree is the 4. Now I have to find out the 4 zeros, but in my hand only 2 zeros are there. That is the one is the root over 5 by 3, the second one is a minus root over 5 by 3. The rest 2 we can find out. Therefore you can write the now factors are 3x square minus 5 and x square plus 2x plus 1. Now take this part out, that is you have to find out the factors of this part. Now take that part out, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. If you observe this one, which can be written as formula of x plus 1 whole square, that is a plus b whole square, that is x plus 1 into x plus 1. Therefore zeros are minus 1 comma minus 1. Why? Because 0 of x plus 1 is a minus 1 and the 0 of x plus 1 is a minus 1. Therefore altogether zeros of given polynomial are, first one is root over 5 by 3, second one is minus root 5 by 3, third one is minus 1 and the fourth one is minus 1. Therefore 1 2 3 4 zeros I got from this given question.